Hello everyone, as we have already discussed about memory size in previous videos, so today we will proceed with the topic types of memory. So before starting this topic, you have to mention your name, class and roll number in comments.
Types of memory. Computer has two kinds of memory. Computer has two types of memory. First is primary memory and secondary memory. Okay, there are two types of memory, primary memory and secondary memory. What is primary memory? It is the main memory of a computer. Primary memory is the main memory of a computer. It stores data or information, right? In memory, what we store? Data or any information. So in primary memory also stores data or information. It is also called internal memory. Why it is called internal memory? Because it is fixed on the motherboard inside the CPU cabinet. Where primary memory is fixed, it is inside the CPU cabinet. So that's why we call it as internal memory. Understood, students, why we call it as internal memory? Because it is inside the CPU cabinet. Primary memory is of two types. Primary memory is of two types, RAM and ROM. Okay, primary memory is of two types, RAM and ROM. RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory. ROM stands for read only memory. It is a temporary memory. RAM is a temporary memory. ROM is a permanent memory. Understood, students? ROM is a permanent memory and RAM is a temporary memory. Why RAM is a temporary memory? Because it loses all the information when the computer is turned off. Understood? And why ROM is a permanent memory? Because it does not lose any information when the computer is turned off. Understood, students? Now let's take an example. Let's suppose you are playing any game in an electronic device like mobile phone or laptop or computer. Okay, and suddenly the computer or laptop gets shut down. Okay, or your mobile phone gets switched off, so your game will be over, right? It happens now. Your game will be over. So at that time, that means you are using RAM. Your computer or your any electronic device is using RAM while you are playing game. Now let's take an example of ROM. Let's suppose if I have written a paragraph in Microsoft Word, and after writing it I have saved it, right? We will save our information, no? So I have saved my work. Okay, so if the computer will shut down or laptop will shut down, my paragraph, my content will not lost because we saved it. Understood, student? The example of RAM and ROM.
So today we have discussed about primary memory.
Write down your homework, students. You have to do these questions in your rough notebook, and I have already mentioned the link of your homework in description box.
In next video we will be discussing secondary memory. Till then, stay home, be safe, and yes, don't forget to like and subscribe.